Hello students, last class I given some characteristics of living beings explanation. Today the last topic and the last characteristic, that is a lifespan. Okay, so organisms take birth, became adult and reproduce, then became old, and at last it will die. Okay, means the period between birth and death of an organism we called a lifespan. What is lifespan? A period between birth and death of an organism called a lifespan. Okay, here I given some example, some organisms and their average lifespan. Okay, average lifespan. Okay, here turtle average lifespan is 150 years. Elephant lifespan, average lifespan is 70 years. And cow and eagle, their average lifespan are 20 years. Man lifespan, average lifespan is 70 to 80 years. Okay, so depending on this lifespan, the plants can classified into annuals, biennials, perennials. So here if you observe annuals, what annual means? 1 year, we know that, right? So maybe the plant age is only 1 year, we can understand, right? So annuals, what do you mean by annuals? Plants produce flowers, fruits and die in a 1 year or in a 1 season. Okay, so plants bears flowers, fruits and die in a 1 year or a season, we call the annuals. What is the use of annuals? Annuals have an extended breeding property and also sweet scented. Okay, so what some examples are given here: wheat, pumpkin, some vegetables, cotton. Okay, these are the annual plants. Okay, next biennials. Bi means 2, we know that, right? So maybe the plant's lifespan is 2 years. Okay, so what is biennials? Biennials means they produce, their lifetime is only 2 years, right? That's why they live for 2 years. They live up to 2 years or two seasons and produce fruits, flowers, fruits and seeds and a die. Okay, then some examples I given here: cabbage, carrot, ginger, sugarcane. These are the biennial plants. Okay, so what is the use of biennials? Biennials use as a garden. Okay, garden beds like that. Then perennials. Perennials means live for many years and keep producing flowers, fruits, seeds. Okay, so examples: mangoes, neems, coconut and jackfruit, etc. And the use of perennial is flower breeding. Okay, for flower breeding purpose are the perennials uses. So this is the lifespan. Apart from this lifespan, the plants can divided, then classified into monocotyledonous, dicotyledonous. Monocotyledonous, dicotyledonous. Mono means 1. Okay, so before going to know about monocotyledonous plants, you should know what is cotyledonous. What is cotyledonous? Cotyledonous is nothing but seed leaf. So what is seed leaf? Okay, so for example, this is the seed. This is the seed. So the first leaf which is germinated from a seed, germinated is the germinated seed. The first, so this is the seed. Okay, the first leaf which is appear from a germinated seed, we called a cotyledon. Okay, or a seed leaf. So for example, if you observe here, this is the maize seed and this is a one leaf. Okay, one seed leaf which is appeared from a germinated seed. So this is the monocotyledon. Mono means 1. Okay, so if you observe, only one leaf appearing from a seed. So here 2 leaves. If you observe, here 1, here 1. So this is the seed and here this side 1, this side 1, means 2 leaves. Okay, 2 leaves appear From a germinated seed, we called a dicotyledonous. Okay. So now what is the definition of monocotyledonous? The seed has only one cotyledonous or a seed leaf, we called a monocotyledonous plants. Examples: wheats, ragi, millets, maize, etc. Here dicotyledonous. The seed has two cotyledonous. Okay. So example: groundnut, house grams, black grams, red grams, etc. Okay, this is about plants classified depending on cotyledonous and lifespan of plants. So you have learned about the characteristic of living beings from previous class onwards. But plants and animals are the two important organisms, components of the total environment. But nowadays what happening? Their number is decreasing because of man's greediness. Okay, so protection of a plant or animals is need of the day. So why should we protect the plants? Why should we protect the animals? Why should we protect the plants first? For food. Okay, for rain, for future generations. If there is no plant, there is no rain. There is no rain, there is no food. There is no food, there is no living. Okay, so that's why there is no future at all. That's why we need to protect the plants. Same as we need to protect the animals also. Animals plays an important role in maintaining the environmental balance. If animals destroyed, it affects the other organism as they depending on the animals. Means the scarcity of food, means shortage of food, lack of food. So that's why now presently government of India and total world taking some measures to protect the nature as well as plants and animals through some maintaining some sanctuaries, zoo parks, bird sanctuaries, animal sanctuaries, and some forest department. Like we know all in Karnataka also we have forest department, Karnataka forest department, Bandipura forest department, and a zoo park, Bandipura, and Banerghatta zoo park, and some sanctuaries like Attiveli and Ranganatittu. Like that sanctuaries also we have so many. Okay, that's why last what we have to learn from this means we have to protect the nature, then only it will protect us. So we have to protect the nature will protect us. That is the moral of the living protection of animals and plants. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. You have any doubts, you ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.